Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you how to disable the Facebook notification sound. Now this notification sound has been introduced for a couple of weeks or months, and I've noticed it's been annoying some people because for those that get a lot of notifications, hearing that sound can get pretty annoying pretty quickly. So here's how to do it. On your Facebook, you go to the wrench menu, the settings, right on the upper right of the page, and then you click account settings. Once you're there, you go to notifications, and then on the first option you click on view, and you make sure this box is unchecked. So I already changed mine, so it should look like this, and then you click save changes, and that's it. So I hope this helps you, and thank you for watching.